Happy Sunday, Toppers family, and welcome back to another episode of my top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And this week's selection is really cool, and I can't wait what you guys will say to this selection. And I also would appreciate if you post your top 3 or top 5 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore in the comments below. And if you agree with me or disagree with me, if you agree, you can say I agree and I have the same top 5 fitteds like you have, but this would be absolute cool. And before we start, I would like to ask you to do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, at the end of the video also hit the like button. This will help the channel a lot, and you can join the greatest hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. And without further ado, let's go into this. My 5th place this week is this glow in the dark beauty. Oh my god, the Los Rojos. And this is very special from the Cincinnati Reds, because in the back you can see those sparkling metallic outline. This makes the hat really special. And then we wanted to switch it up a little bit, making this skull on the side. And as I already said, all the white details in this hat are glowing in the dark, so really special. You got the flat MiLB Batterman on the back, gray UV, black guts. The Los Rojos red button is my 5th place this week. My 4th place this week is a very special hat to a very special player, Hall of Fame induction 2025, the Ichiro. And I wanted to mix up the colors a little bit using that faded blue. Looks like a little bit more aged. And look at this beautiful, huge side patch. And this front logo is absolutely amazing. The sparkling details on this metallic gold, they pop off really good. And then also on the side patch. And if I'm turning that around here, look at this. It looks like metallic in the background, the teal. And if you switch it over like this, you can see those metallic silver and metallic gold popping off. Really great on this hat. And then you got a flat MiLB Batterman on the back as well. Gray UV, black guts. The Ichiro, my 4th place this week. Then we dropped another Aztec Skull Warrior on Monday in the stream, a 24K version. And this was gone quickly. Of course, I mean, it came out absolutely great. Look at this beautiful maroon, and then all these details with the 2 different golds in here. This looks really nice. And then you got the Mexico M on the back, also in 24K. My 3rd place this week, gray UV, black guts, beautiful hat. So my 2nd place this week and my 1st place this week. Probably I'm a little bit biased because I'm a fan of those teams. It doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, I think they are still great hats, and you also love them. You don't have to be a Falcons fan to love this hat. From the NFL drop this week, gray UV, black guts, and these Realtree ones are amazing. I love them so much. This side patch is absolutely fantastic. The Atlanta Falcons 25th season side patch. And then you got this team color red combined with the Realtree. And oh my god, I love Realtree. I have to be really honest with you. And then those metallic silver details in the front. Beautiful hat. We got a vintage shield on the back. And this 2-tone combo with the Realtree is amazing. My 2nd place this week from the Atlanta Falcons. And as I already said, I'm biased probably this week. But even though if I would not be a Red Wings fan, I love this hat because the logo is so cool and the color is even cooler. And this is also something like where the threads look like so shiny because they are on a flat embroidery over a larger area. And I mean, this must be the #1 from this week, the L. And look how beautiful shiny L is on this purple dome with the red. It pops off really good. Then we got the Stanley Cup side patch 98, also with the purple details. and this beautiful purple NHL shield on the back. The L, gray UV, black guts. My first place this week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with my selection. Please also put your top 3 fitted or top 5 fitted hats of the week from both stores into the comments. You can also join our Discord. You will find the link down in the description, and you can join the Discord, and there are a lot of guys like you and me collecting hats, sports fans, talking about hats and sports all day. Tomorrow we are back with another fantastic Cap Talk episode 206, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow in the stream. The last streams were absolutely crazy, and I'm pretty sure this one will be crazy too, and we got a lot of new hats that I would like to show off to you and of course discuss with you. I would like to thank you for your crazy support over the week again, and I hope to see you next time, and probably already tomorrow, right? Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm out. Bye.